Hello, welcome to Design Check. Today we're going to review the audio-technica MX40 Professional Studio Monitor Headphone, designed by audio-technica in 2014 from Tokyo, Japan. I found myself in need of an inexpensive but audibly reliable set of headphones that would be able to handle the range of sounds produced by the OP1 synthesizer, something I've recently procured. Since the OP1 doesn't have Bluetooth, the opportunity came up to buy a high-quality pair of headphones without the huge price tag. Audio-Technica showed the greatest strength in reviews for a well-crafted product that was priced pretty fairly, offering incredible value and a range of options. The ATH-M40X are a high-performance pair of over-ear headphones that are tuned flat for a more accurate audio experience across frequency ranges. This makes them better for listening to music in a studio setting, where you're interested in hearing all parts of a track equally. The ear cups swivel 90 degrees horizontally one way and 180 degrees vertically. This is pretty useful if you're a DJ and want to just have one ear cup over your ear and the other one not. These are a pair of wired-only headphones, so there's no Bluetooth. They do not connect wirelessly to any of your devices, but that's part of the intention. The headphones are medium-sized, pretty light. They're made in Taiwan. I gave these headphones a design check score of 9 out of 10 and a value check score of 2 out of 2. Stick with me to find out how the points stack up. If you've seen these reviews before, then you might already know that Design Check applies Dieter Ram's 10 principles for good design to products. Each principle is checked, and the product is given a score of 0 or 1 if it has sufficiently met the requirements of that principle. There are 2 more value checks that compare the product to what else is available on the market. Alright, it's time for our design check. So, first category is innovation. The 1/4-inch cable locking mechanism that connects the audio cable to the headphones is fairly unique. The AirPads swiveling multidirectionally to aid in storage and monitoring scenarios shows how this pair of headphones leverages innovation in this specific area where it would be appreciated by you if that's the kind of thing you're after. So, 1 point for innovation here. The folding design is unique and useful to make the pair fit in small spaces. It's also useful for DJs that wish to rotate one of the 2 ear cups so they can monitor while listening to the room. The 1/4-inch locking mechanism is pretty useful because it prevents the audio cable from accidentally being pulled out, possibly a common occurrence when swiveling around on a desk chair in an audio production studio. The attention to music detail is there, evident, apparent. It's a quality listening experience, and where most of the value is coming from. The screw tops on the audio cables allowing a 1/4-inch to 1/8-inch adapter to be used, now that's pretty useful. The logo is pretty cool, and it's great to see it boldly displayed on the ear cups with no text. Out of sight, the company title sits atop the overhead band. The blacks are pretty deep, the silver's bright. The folding design is confusing at first and takes some getting used to. The usefulness of the folding ear cups isn't very apparent unless you are a DJ, and may get frustrating otherwise. With a minimal effort, it becomes easy to understand how to put the pair on, fold them, and leverage the folding cups for single ear monitoring. This pair isn't going to get in your way, but your cable management situation might. Audio-Technica's logo is simple, subtle, and doesn't dominate the aesthetic arena. Black matches everything, so these should fit into any workspace with ease. The ear cups are comfortable to wear for extended periods. The MX40 is perhaps one of the most honest pair available in the lineup of MX headphones from Audio-Technica. They deliver on sound quality, long-term ear comfort, and simplicity. There's no promise of wireless connectivity or battery life, which is precisely part of the expectation. The material and construction quality are both excellent. Black is timeless. The extension mechanism on the headband is rigid. It takes a bit of force to adjust, but it doesn't slip easily once it's locked in. The holding force of the headphones is powerful, but not painful, and very effective. It is straightforward to have only one ear cup over your left or right ear, while the other one is off and behind your other ear. The grip is tight enough to keep them from slipping. Bobbing your head with this configuration does not cause them to fall off. There don't appear to be any visual accidents, and practically speaking, the design is thorough. It is easy to understand where trade-offs may have been made and why. The foldability of the pair, for example, allows them to be more portable and more practical for monitoring situations with a single ear. However, it increases complexity and decreases durability. Audio-Technica has addressed every requirement of the product, allowing the consumer to feel respected. The headphones themselves are well made and should last a lifetime. We do not expect consumers to throw them out for a newer model or substitute. The box itself is great and fully recyclable. The molded insert that the pair rests on is also made of cardboard and well designed. Every cable and part, including the ear cups, being wrapped in plastic, was not great. There is room for improvement here by reducing the amount of plastic in the packaging. There's a good balance here between functional and aesthetic design. It doesn't go overboard on either, unlike some of the available alternatives. The simple design provides the user with what he or she needs and nothing more. The pair costs $99 and appears pretty reasonably priced. It's available on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. Of all the reviews on the web, Wirecutter's review of headphones under $200 was pretty compelling of the quality of the MX40. Sound Guys gave it a great review as well, although Wirecutter did recommend the Sony MDR7506 for the best value you can get. The MX40s were much more aesthetically pleasing. The MX50s, a step up from the MX40, also from Audio-Technica, is on par with audio quality, but costs $50 more and didn't really provide any added benefit in a studio monitoring setting. Rather, they marketed more towards regular everyday listening. Overall, the competition is fierce, but the MX40 does not fall short. Thanks so much for tuning in. Did you enjoy the review? If you liked this video, please hit that like button so others can discover it too. Don't miss out on future reviews and click the subscribe button to see more design checks when they're ready. I really appreciate your support. This isn't a perfect review. Although I try my best to remain unbiased, it's still based on my personal opinions and experiences. Let me know in the comments below if you think anything was missed or what you believe should have been considered. Please leave a comment with your ideas, suggestions, and products you'd like reviewed in the future. If you're considering buying this item, please visit the link in the description below, which helps support this channel. For a full written review and photo gallery, visit the Design Check website at designcheck12.com. There you'll find links to the official product pages, any design awards this product has received, and links to other trustworthy reviews that can help you make a more informed decision. You can follow Design Check on your favorite social media channels. I post pretty awesome pictures of these products on Instagram using a macro lens to snap the most in-depth and interesting angles possible. I'll also share any interesting or upcoming products that come around before posting a Design Check video. Check out Design Check 12 on Pinterest to see all the interesting products I come across before choosing one for the next Design Check review. You might find something you like there. Follow Design Check on TikTok for a lighthearted and fun behind-the-scenes experience to see what it's like making these videos and discovering new products. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.